You will receive 4.1 ounces tubes of Crest Densify Daily Protection Toothpaste. Actively rebuilds tooth density to extend the life of teeth by remineralizing enamel. The 2X Enamel Protection System remineralizes weakened enamel, prevents demineralization. Contains fluoride for anticavity protection. Densify Daily for best results. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Crest Pro-Health Densify Toothpaste rebuilds surface tooth density every time you brush to extend the life of your teeth by remineralizing enamel. Experience the 2X Enamel Protection System that remineralizes weakened enamel, prevents demineralization to prevent future density loss for a long-lasting smile. Contains fluoride for anticavity protection. Densify Daily for best results. From Crest, the #1 toothpaste brand in America. Top reviews from the United States. Only toothpaste that protects my teeth. I got very sensitive teeth and gums. My enamel eroded over time with acidic drinks and grinding bad habit. This toothpaste is a miracle in protecting surface and inner minerals of the teeth. It revitalize and remineralize the inner and outer portion of teeth. I am very pleased using this toothpaste.